Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove silence in Adobe Premiere Pro without any plugin at all, totally for free. In a minute, stay tuned and let me show you. First you put your track in the timeline, then window, text. So check on transcribe. You see this video duration is about 8 minutes or less. Now go to filter and select pauses. Then check delete, extract and delete all. And there's the magic. You see, the total duration now is about less than 7 minutes and the system has deleted almost all pauses. And that's all. Let me see you another thing. We do undo, we get the file with pauses and silences. If we do filter, pauses, delete, and lift and delete all, you just do that with all the silence not removed. And another thing, make sure your transcript is not static. It doesn't work. It only works if your transcription is dynamic. So another time, delete, undo, filter, pauses, delete, extract, delete all. And that works. Thank you for watching, subscribe channel and thumbs up if you like this video.